I'm so confused.
You'll learn. Trust me.
Where did you go?
Surprise, motherfucker.
What?
Uh-oh.
Well, that helped.
Look in front of you.
Fuck, my computer froze.
That's... You'll find out why.
Oh. There we... Hello.
That's the wrong gun.
I know, I realized.
I can't move you, so...
Oh, that was too far. Oh no.
Oh, sorry! I didn't want to do that. Sorry. Whoops. This will make life easier, don't worry.
Okay, look. Ooh, the ceiling. The roof, I mean.
Do you want some McDonald's? I have some McDonald's for you. Where are you? Which roof are you in?
Guess. Ah! Don't do this to me!
Hey.
I wonder what would happen if I just like walked off. I'm
You'll
gonna die.
you'll get 10%.
Oh no.
This is more entertaining than it should be.
I am gone. Goodbye, friends.
Where are you?
Come find me. Heh.
Oh, wait. I can smell you. I'm just creeping along. So,
Oh,
damn it! Just caress the
you
ground.
fucking scared me.
I'm done.
Oh my god, that was terrifying.
I can smell you. It's okay, Shy. Oh.
Bitch.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry.
Okay. Turn around.
Where? Hi! I just hit the ceiling.
I didn't know where you were.
Well, now I know where you are.
Do you? No, you don't. No, I didn't mean to get that! Go, go, go! I feel like this is just like us running away from each other now. Ah!
I don't even know where the fuck you are. How you up? Damn.
Come find me.
Are you in the
I feel
same?
like you're gonna fucking sneak up on me again. What?
Are you in the same place that you were?
No. Shit!
Oh, you're stuck to the wall.
That scared me!
Oh, that was good.
You just gave me a fucking heart attack.
Sorry.
Oh. All I saw was you go into the ground.
Not today.
No. No. Oh, goodbye, friends. Oh.
I'm so sorry.
Where are you?
Nowhere.
Ah!